welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making this choker, or we can make it into a bracelet, whatever you want. Just the point is these cute little hearts, which are perfect for Valentine's Day. We'll need white and gray beads, a lock of your choice, a nylon thread. I'm using this one. Then I have Miyuki delica red and I don't know what kind of red beads these are, but just make sure that they are bigger than the Miyuki ones. And of course scissors. And yeah, let's start. I cut the length that I want from the nylon thread, and I added like 10 centimeters to the length that I need for my neck. And now I'm just going to make 4 knots. 1, 3, 4. Now I'm going to put white and gray beads. Now that I have 14 beads in a very chaotic order, I'm going to put 13 red beads, and I'm pulling the threads through the first 2, forming a loop. Now we have a ring, and I'm going to put 1 small bead on the thread, and I'm going to pull the thread through the 3rd bead from the start. Now I'm going to skip the 4th bead and put the thread into the 5th bead. Now I'm going to put a small bead again and pull the thread through the next bead, big one. All the time you have to remember to pull really hard, because then the heart will form. Now I'm going to put again 1 small bead and put the thread. So you have to remember all the time to pull really well. And now I'm going to put another small bead and put the thread into the next big bead. So I'm not skipping now anything. I made a little knot. Okay, now it's good. So now it's good, and now I'm going to pull the thread through the next 2 beads. So in total you have to have 1 bead here and then 3 beads after the small one. Now I'm skipping the next one and I'm pulling the thread through 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically through all the beads. So I'm skipping one, pulling the thread through all the beads until it comes out of the small bead over here. I don't want to show it because the process is really tedious, but just remember to skip this one, the 3 next, and then all the next ones, and then you go out here. I mean, not skip the next, but like pull the thread through the next beads. It's a tedious process and I don't want to show it on camera, but yeah. I just want to show you that, yes, I skipped one, and now I'm pulling the thread over through all these beads across, like around clockwise, and pulling it out of the small bead here, last small bead of 3. One thing that I forgot to mention is you need to skip the same bead here that you skipped already once. So you skip this one so that the heart shape is there. Now we already see that there's a heart, and I'm going to put again 14 beads of random color and 13 beads of the heart, and I'm going to continue until I have the color. With the ends, I'm just going to put them in the beads next to the lock and basically just hide them there, if I'm able to see it. So you can see if it doesn't. I pull the end through a few beads and I'm going to cut it. And you can further hide the remaining one, or you can burn it, for example. I finished my necklace. As you can see, I have very random sequence of white and gray after each heart. And how many I have? I have 9 hearts in total, and the ends are like gray and white. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next tutorial.